številu v teh čudnih časih. Upam, da ste dobro. Ste danes že poslali kak SMS, imeli že kak Zoom sestanek, si naložili kakšno novo aplikacijo, da človek sploh lahko danes vstane, parkira, pride v službo. Tehnologija je sploh v zadnjih 2 letih postala še toliko pomembnejši del našega življenja.
We accumulate around more than 200 million active users. So this is why we said we have very good foundation globally with fans and consumers. So for order, we aim to provide the full portfolio for our consumers. We will have 3 series in our product portfolio. The first is Magic series. We aim to provide the latest innovation technology and cutting edge design for our consumers. The second one is for number series. Number series, we aim to provide the similar function and capability to our consumers. The last one is the middle end range, is the X series. We aim to provide the better experience and solid quality to our consumers. So this is our 3 portfolio that we will launch in Slovenia in future.
Start, of course, every design, every phone comes with design.